Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my last Boxy charm. I've decided to cancel my subscription, and I'll tell you why. But first, I want to see if this month's box is going to make me regret canceling my subscription, because I already did, or I'm going to be actually relieved that I did. If you want to see what I got in my Boxy charm and my thoughts about it, then keep on watching. Okay, so let me explain that I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the majority of the video, because when I sat down to edit the video, the audio was completely messed up from beginning to end. So I'm going to be doing some voiceover and some is the original audio. So here I'm showing you the theme of the box, which is a Christmas theme. So the first item I got is sponges by Araceli, which I'm happy that I got because I needed some new sponges. And these seem pretty good. I'm glad I got it in my box. And these sponges retail for $28, so they're quite expensive for 2 sponges. Okay. I'll keep you posted in the description box to see if they're good or not. That's the first item. Let's see what else I have. A lip pencil crayon from Mellow. That color looks nice. So I wanted to show you a swatch of the lip liner, and guess what happened? There it is. There's the whole tip. The tip completely broke off by just one soft swatch. And the damn thing came off. I got one swipe. Yep, I was angry. Okay, so I see something lotion. So the next item retails for $32 and is a primer, but it says it's a glow primer. So I guess it's like a dewy primer. I'm not too happy about this because I really don't like nothing glowy on my face. If I would have seen this at a store, I know I wouldn't buy it. So it's like a cream, it's sealed. Let me see if it smells good or bad or nothing. It has no scent. I will use this like around here or outside my T-zone just to see how it looks, to give it a try. But I don't have high hopes. Not for me. So okay, let's move on to the next item. The next product is a mud mask. Restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. And it's fragrance free. This retails for $59. So this is the one that's the most expensive product in the box. pH levels, reducing redness. Ooh. It says it reduces redness. I will have to try that and see, because I do have kind of like a rosacea. It sounds good. It smells sweet. I don't know, but I want to try this. I'm actually glad that I got this. The last item is Real Her Dreams So Big eyeshadow palette. Cruelty free, talc free, certified cruelty free, highly pigmented, infused with vitamin E, infused with coconut oil. Okay, let's see how she looks. So the reason that I decided to cancel my subscription is because couple of reasons actually. I've had Boxy charm for 3 years now. I loved it and everything. But the thing is that at the beginning I would notice that I would get more makeup than skincare, and I love that about it because I love skincare, but I also love makeup. But lately it's been so much skincare that it's too overwhelming. I have so much skincare that I have to finish those first in order to receive more. So that's one of the major reasons why I decided to cancel my subscription, because I just have way too many skincare. It's too much. I have so many. I have to, you know, finish those first, and maybe later on, a couple of months, maybe next year, I don't know when, maybe I'll go back to it. I don't know yet. I'm like, well, this is the perfect time to just, and I haven't been too happy. I've gotten some good boxes, don't get me wrong, but some of them have been, I think the past 3 months I've been not so happy with my boxes, so that also helped with my decision. So yeah, it's just a lot of skincare. It's too much. It's too overwhelming. And I think I'm not the only one. I've seen a lot of people saying the same thing. Or some people say because it raised the price, they're going to leave it because of that. Or because it doesn't bring so much makeup like it used to. Or because they're just tired of so much skincare. So we're all thinking pretty much the same thing. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It brings a mirror. Very neutral and soft. I think some people who will see this probably be bored by it, but I actually like it. I had makeup on in the video, so I didn't try the palette now, but maybe in a future video I'll try the palette. So I don't know, and it says highly pigmented. I want to see if that's true. So I'll probably be doing a video of using this palette in the future. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's box, which is my last box, and let me tell you, with this alone that broke off by just one little swatch, with that alone, I'm glad I canceled. I'm not thrilled about this, but I will try it. Okay, so I'm happy about the sponges. I'm glad I got this in the box. I always need sponges, and hopefully these are good. Like I said, this, what a disappointment. I mean, the color is called rose, and it's not rose, it's like a brown orangey color. So I'm eager to try the mask, the cleansing mask. So yeah, I'm actually glad that I canceled. I will continue to watch other people's boxes to see what they get. Not everybody gets the same thing. That's the thing. You can't really compare. Oh, I would have gotten that, or I would have gotten this, or because you don't know what you're gonna get. There's so many variations that you don't know what you're gonna get. But I think it's time. It's time. Me and Boxy Charm have to part ways. Go on our own journey. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.